We have a bite. Yeah, there's a fish. Oh. A little bass. I can't turn. We still got it?
Yeah.
Crappie. Hell yeah, brother.
Shit, we're doing better than we do normally fishing.
What's up, ladies and gents? We're gonna have a special video today. I bought this bad boy. I'll have links in the bottom of the video here, but got it from Amazon, like $139, and then I got a little fishing rig for it. So this thing I tested the other day and it hauls ass. Oh shit. Check this shit. Oh yeah. So this could be interesting, but I'm gonna set it up with a bobber. Harrison's here, and we're gonna shred this bad bee. What? Now I shove these in the holes.
That's it.
And then I string it up through here apparently. But yeah, we're gonna do this. I'll get set up and then we'll put her in the water. Okay, so we put the fishing rig on. I got my bob hair. I need to put a night crawler on her. Okay, watch out. We gotta do this before it gets eaten. You can turn the power down too, the throttle.
Was it on max?
Yeah. We're gonna try it right here.
You're gonna have to keep it there. Your bobber's way out there.
That's good though. Look at that, dude. That's rad.
If you catch a fish, I'll be shocked.
Why wouldn't I? This is so badass. Oh, it's too shallow. We're gonna be a few minutes, but we'll be back when we get a bite. So I got one?
No.
Oh, it just went down. It went down. Come on. Come on. Oh. Did I get him? Do I have a fish? I don't think I have a fish. I just need to let it.
See the bobber.
I need to let it take it more. We have a bite. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh yeah, there's a fish. Oh. Damn. Damn. Grab the boat. That's. Oh, don't be gentle.
There's a fish.
I know. Oh, what is it?
It's a little fishy.
A little bass?
Hey, don't get hooked this time.
Yeah. Pliers, please. Actually.
Shit, I don't want to break it.
Actually. Risk it for the biscuit, dog. Watch it happen again. It'd be so
that's
cool.
so cool.
Dude, that's tiny. Cool.
Dude, when you took off, I'm like, oh shit.
I know, it like
There's
went down.
definitely a fish. When it started pulling it backwards right here, like, damn.
Oh, sheesh. Okay, all this line, watch out. Hell yeah, brother. Got one. Well, at least it was close, but that scared me.
Side of the pond, it was pulling that hard.
Yeah, that was just a tiny bass. Okay. Put her back in.
Send her in the water, boy.
Aye, aye, matey.
Off to. Let's go set it in the same spot.
The motherland. Okay, we're good. Oh shit, we got another one.
No shit. Already?
Yep. No, it came off.
I was like, there's no way.
It went down.
There's no way.
It went down.
My shoes are getting.
They're getting bite happy now. Hold on. Oh. Oh shit. I can't turn. Come on. Make it back. Make it back. I don't know if I still got it. Do we still got it?
Yeah.
Crappie! Hell yeah, brother!
Dude. Shit, we're doing better than we do normally fishing.
Dude.
That's a big crappie.
Oh, don't lose all my bait, dude. You got my pliers, son. Yeah, that's not a bad boy. It just sucks trying to hold all this. Alright, you can probably get it.
That was easy.
Sweet. Crappie.
Okay.
Cool. That's so rad.
The winds, you water it again.
That's so sick.
Ready?
Yep. Yo, we got one. Oh shit, my bobber came off.
Uh-oh. Did you still have a fish? How did the bobber come off?
I don't know, that's a decent fish.
Why is it pulling it so hard? Go full throttle.
I'm trying.
Is that the full throttle?
Turn.
Oh yeah, I see the fish jumped.
Come on.
Your poor bobber. Just full throttle.
Full throttle.
That's full?
Yep.
Oh my god.
Hopefully it doesn't overheat. That's a... What is it? What is it? Big crappie?
No, it's a bass.
You sure? Oh my bobber.
Oh my god. That thing just pulled hard.
Ah, another bass. Dude, he was fighting like a champ. Yeah, that boat ain't made for big shit, I'll tell you that.
Try to catch a 20-pound catfish on that.
Oh god.
You need pliers for that thing? It's so weak.
I don't know, man.
Next thing you know, you get hooked again.
I would be so pissed. Whoa.
Whoa. Whoa.
Another one. He's probably got air in him. Another one.
Probably from doing that.
I'm gonna go right in here.
With no bobber?
I guess.
All feel.
Yep.
We'll see. Bloop. It sounds so mean.
I know. I think right about in here it should be deep enough.
Man, you've got long line now.
I know. We'll know when the boat goes underwater. Dude, that little bass was like fighting like a mofo. Dude, if I get one of them big catfishes, oh, I'm so screwed. I mean, it shouldn't be much deeper than that line is anywhere, so.
Pulling it backwards.
We got a bite. Oh yeah.
Oh.
Hell yeah, brother. Yeah, just pull the line. What the? Oh, crappie. Hell yeah, dude.
Don't get hooked.
Okay, just don't jinx me, dude.
Huh?
Stop jinxing me. Ow.
Yeah, at least urgent.
Oh.
Actually, no, all urgent clears close at like 7, I think. So you're just 35 minutes late.
Hey, watch that string.
Oh, you need another one?
Crappie boy. That worked pretty good without a bobber. Oh,
Yeah,
thank
just
you.
pulled the boat back, dude. I was shocked.
Yeah, that boat's definitely not made
Not
for...
made for big fish.
No, but for taking out bait, that would probably work fine. Like a little bluegill. Yeah, I mean, those crappie aren't any bigger than the baits I probably use right now.
Use that big a bait?
Yeah.
That thing's big.
How I caught that big flathead.
So your biggest catfish is that 40-pounder, right?
42, yep.
42?
Yep.
What'd you catch it on?
Sunfish. I'm just not going full throttle. I'm saving battery, but I'm gonna guarantee my GoPro battery won't last much longer here. Look at the heli, bruh. Life flight, maybe. Okay. I don't know if I got one. Do I got one? I can't tell without a bobber. I need a bobber. Hell yeah, brother. Do I have a bobber in here? Probably not. I gotta go grab a bobber. Okay, we are gonna put a bobber on because it's kind of a pain in the butt without one. Cool, right here. Gotta be a fish right there. I don't know if it's deep enough though. I think we do have a fish. That's weird. Yeah, I think we got one. Got his ass. Coolio, dude. Tiny little bass or what? Yeah. Tiny little dude. Ah, you swallowed that shit. I don't know if bro's gonna make it. Yeah, I think he's a goner. Actually, we got him. Survive, buddy. Probably won't. So I've had the same battery in here for, I don't know, quite a while. I don't know what time it is. Oh, I've had it over an hour. So that big one will last quite a while. I just don't know how it's gonna balance. But we'll find out when it's the time. Oh, he's not gonna make it. Poor dude. Couldn't do anything, man. He swallowed it to his butthole. Poor bass. I feel bad killing fish. That one seems more decent, unless it just came off. No, I think we still got him. Oh, please don't be another tiny bastard. Literally. A little bigger. At least we didn't hook you like shit. Pretty colors. Just glad nothing bigger's bit that thing, because it would be game over. It's hard turning when it's got a fish. Almost got to have it aimed at me. Dude, do I really? I already have a fish. Maybe? I can't tell. Yeah. What is it, Tiny Tim time? I can't even drive my boat. Oh, no, never mind, we're good. What the heck? He's acting like there was a fish. Got a bite. Oh shit. Yeah, it's pulling us. Oh crap. Pull me. We still got her? I don't know. Yeah, I think we do. Come here. Dude, it just came off. The heck. Oh well. Time to go get another one. Okay, that's pretty dope. Something's playing with her though. Take it. We got some jumping over there. Let's go that way. Okay, time to relax again. We got something. Oh shit, it's flipping my boat. Damn. What is it? Probably another bass. Pulling pretty good though. Oh, okay. Okay. What is it? Let's pull that line in. That doesn't feel bad. What is it? Crappie? Bass? It's a little bass. Pretty badass though. Oh, don't get tangled, please. Really? You're bleeding too? Did you swallow the shit? Yeah, you did, didn't you? Why are you all swallowing this shit? Okay, we got him actually. That wasn't bad. Just watch out, bruh. Go. You got it. Come on. What in the Sam's hell we got going on here? Oh, okay. We're good. Bobber's just a wee deep, but you know, nothing wrong with that. We're gonna drive over to that calm stuff again. Oh shit. Oh shit. Yo, that ain't good. We're going, right? Dragging this bad boy back. This is a decent fish. Maybe. Skiing that bad boy. It's just another bass. Tiny bass. But he dragging boat. Eat a boat dragger. These little guys, I tell ya, feisty little bugs. Please don't swallow it. No, we're good. Dude, he's psycho. That's why I got a freaking hook in my finger. At least these guys aren't too big. That would have been a pain in the butt. What? Oh, you bastards. All of them are like swallowing that shit though. Got him. Time to night crawler up again. Got one. We're gonna skim him on the water here. It's almost the easiest way if you can get him up. Like the coolest shit ever. Oh, he's fighting good for a little guy. These guys are so feisty. The little bass are so damn feisty. Swallowed it to his butthole. Another one. Got it. Bye. I'll catch some more crappie. Trolling. So dope. Might catch a few more with this, and then I'm gonna put my big battery in and just get some speeding out, you know what I mean? Dude, there's like these little fish jumping on shore. You see that? I don't know if like bigger fish are chasing them and they just get out of the water, or what. If they're baby bluegill, I don't know if they're bait fish. I don't think they would have bait fish in here, but never know. People up at the house are just watching me, probably waiting for a big fish to rip my shit. Okay guys, I'm gonna pull this out, or not pull it out, but I'm gonna take the stuff off the boat and then just rip her for a while. Might get my other pole out and try fishing. Okay, well, we're gonna let her rip. Dude, coolest damn thing I've ever bought. I don't think it affects it. She's getting low battery here, I can tell. Yep, there she is. It's pretty fancy, guys. That lasted quite a few hours. Not the biggest boat, but damn well good enough for little shit. And didn't get that hot, which is surprising. Okay, so this battery is a bit excessive on size, so we're gonna see. Sorry. It's the same length, but the width and the weight is going to be distributed a little differently, I guarantee that. But this should be even longer. Okay, looks like we are locked and loaded. And we got lights on. I don't know if it senses the dark or if those lights were just, it wasn't powerful enough. Well, it's not bouncing too bad. I know it's going to, damn. Can definitely tell the difference with that battery. There's a self-tip back. Okay, we're done with that. That's too fun. Okay, guys, I might actually go home.